Hello children, we have already learned division, but let's recap once again so that if you have any doubt you can clear it in this video. We had learned that sharing means division. Means हम जब किसी चीज को दूसरों के साथ शेयर करते हैं, इक्वली शेयर करते हैं या कभी कभी बच भी जाता है तो then it is called division, and division is also called repeated subtraction. Let us see with a new example how we can divide the things among other people. For this example we are taking help of Gurkirat. Hello Gurkirat.
Hello.
So see, I have certain toothpicks here which I want to share among these three people. Now Gurkirat will help us to show how you will share these toothpicks to three people. Gurkirat, can you start please? He has already shared 3 sticks. Now he is taking another one more. Same you can think of chocolate. Very good. So you can see he has first of all shared one toothpick to one people. Then he took another and then given to other people. Then he took another and then give. Like this he has shared all 12 toothpick to 3 people. And can you tell me how much one people has got?
4.
4
sticks.
Yeah, 4 sticks are got by one person. It means is that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Thank you so much. Now see, same way when it is told कि solve the following by repeated subtraction, जो आपने इसमें देखा वो भी repeated है, ठीक है, subtraction, लेकिन हमको उसको अगर sum में करके दिखाना है then we have to show in this way. This is called division by sharing means division. So we have shared certain things and then we have shown division. Now let us see how to do repeated subtraction method. Suppose it is given 12 divided by 4 but the question is given solve the following by repeated subtraction method. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे, 12 में क्योंकि डिवाइड करना है 4 लोगों में, ठीक है, तो हमने क्या करना है, आपको नहीं ये देखना है कि 12 आपको दिया है लेकिन अब हम यहाँ पे रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे, डिवाइड का साइन नहीं लगाएंगे, ठीक है. सो 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Again we took 8 carry, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 again we have taken carry, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. यानी कि हमारा 1 2 3 स्टेप में सारा ये क्लियर हो गया. यानी कि 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 3. मतलब 12 चीजों को 4 लोगों में डिवाइड किया तो एक के पास कितना आया, 3 आया, ठीक है. सेम थिंग यू हैव लर्नड इट हियर दैट व्हेन यू हैव शेयर्ड 12 sticks among 3 people, one person had got 4. सब्ट्रैक्शन में ही एक एक को दिया, पहले एक बंदे को एक दिया, फिर दूसरे को दिया, फिर तीसरे को दिया, इस तरीके से रोटेशन में घूमता गया जब तक आपके पास कुछ नहीं बचा, ठीक है. बट दिस क्वेश्चन इज ओनली फॉर द स्मॉलर डिजिट्स एंड व्हेन इट इज आस्क्ड यू टू do the division by the repeated subtraction method. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता आपको बोले कि 439 divided by 18 you show in repeated subtraction method. That is not possible. So children, this also you keep in mind कि ये किस टाइप के questions हैं और हमको किस तरीके से करना है, ठीक है. So this is how what is division and how we can divide into by repeated subtraction method. Okay, in another video I will show you how to do division by the long method. I hope there is no doubt to you and you will enjoy this video. If you liked this video, please comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.